Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Bark subscription not active. So to fix this issue, if you have subscribed through the bark.us, if you bought your plan directly on the Bark website, just go to your Bark parent dashboard. Now, once you go to your Bark parent dashboard, tap account or the menu icon at the top left corner. Now, once you tap on it, scroll to the billing section and then update your credit card information if your payment failed or was declined. Now, if your subscription was manually paused, follow the prompts on the screen to reactivate it. Now, if you set up your Bark subscription on an iPhone or iPad, billing goes through your Apple ID. So what you can do is open up your Bark parent dashboard, go to account and then scroll to billing and tap manage Apple subscription. Now, open the settings on your child's or your own iOS device and then tap your name or Apple ID at the top of your screen. Now tap subscriptions. Now all of your subscription will just show up on the screen. Now select Bark and make sure that your payment is up to date or your subscription is renewed. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. See you in my next one.